Greetings and salutations, ones and ones. It's Xpressionz and I'm back with another director's overview. This time I'll be looking at That Ship Has Sailed. Let's get into it.
And you now remember say me I will get the flowers?
Oh, sorry.
Continuation
Sorry.
of
Forgot.
showing Tony and his
Reds.
growth.
Man jumped up this one. Show them.
Oh. Yeah.
So like they are saying at the last one,
So,
this is showing
Tony,
that when somebody finds
what's been
themselves,
happening with you?
they can know others
Alright.
around them.
I'm good. I'm happy.
I feel
Without
like
me?
Tony is genuinely happy without Reds,
I'm just joking.
or Reds might stand a
Sometimes you don't
chance
have
in
a
our life.
conversation.
But still I emphasize the growth in Tonya, because even she trying to be civil with Reds is commendable based on the past with them did have.
Tonian, first of all, you look nice. The past few months I've been going to counseling, and the things that they tell me that I was doing back then with you, it was totally wrong. Now I know good, so
Alright.
I wanted to know I'm working now, my own money, and I wanted to know it's a real job, you know? A real job.
Pause for the cause. It is said that many times women go back to them abuser because of fear. Tonian is seemingly over Reds, but you think Reds is truly trying to change? As Reds accepted the fact that he was abusive and really want to be a changed person, generally, or just for Tonian? Because in this scene, even though it's subtle, we're looking at men owning up to some of the things that I'm doing, even going to counseling. So, do we applaud Reds for that? Or do we just feel like say, I lie my tell because he want to get back Tonian? Let's continue.
So what about the gambling?
Oh, me stop gambling. Me stop it completely stop.
Alright. I'm happy for you. I'm proud of you. I'm glad you find a job. And we just hope you continue on the same path.
Well,
When you
Tony,
detect that, the
I
sarcasm,
can promise you,
when she said, happy you find a
not do no
job.
more gambling. Why? Not do no more abuse. Not been an abusive man to no female, nobody. We just want to continue the good part, you know? Well, it's just one thing missing from my life.
What that?
Well, the woman they love and care for me, and that's you, Tony. And
Hey,
Reds?
when you have to compete with the outside sound sometimes, the dog bark, the wind, if you're not careful, it can mess up a good scene.
But this between me and you, never happen.
come on, Tony. I'm a changed person now, you know. Look for me. I look like a different race. Jesus Christ, Tony, watch it. You don't like it? You catch your sword. Rebound. Yes, Tony. You style.
So Tonian still a try to put up. Oh yeah. While carrying a rock and roll in terms of facial expression and just overall energy.
Carry him.
Inside your home.
So now with that one look, you can see say the old Reds is back.
So, who is this guy? How old is the man? You want to know who I am? I am Tony and boyfriend.
Xpressionz, X.
So Tony, you have a boyfriend all along?
Me and him not in a no Korean.
Well,
Pause for the cause. Tell me in the comment section below if there was at any point when Reds talked to Tonian who believe that there was a change in him, if he was being genuine any at all, or it just looked like the same old Reds. Because what I was going for is for him to convince Tonian send change. Not necessarily for Tonian to take him back, but see him as a changed person. Just tell me in the comment section if you thought that at some point maybe mid change.
listen to me. We did have a little problem. We did separate for a little while, but now we're planning to get back together.
Yo, the man
Reds.
wicked in the eye.
You can't do this.
Reds. What y'all do? What y'all do, Reds?
Tony, I need to see you.
Korean.
Pause for the cause. As a director, sometimes we don't state the obvious or we don't do the obvious. I'm almost certain people kind of expected a confrontation between Reds and Kareem. If you were one of them that expected Reds and Kareem to have some kind of confrontation, again, tell me in the comment section below. But because that was so obvious, we make it pass. And then we make it happen with Tonian instead.
Tony, first boyfriend. Never want to know.
All Reds. Play a beat. The best scene happened with the marriage between between characterization and music.
Me call him.
Korean.
Yep. Yeah. That ship has sailed. The perfect marriage between what we call drama and comedy. This scene is one of the scenes that married both of them. This scene is one of the scenes where you look at how you switch from one to the other. If you found this scene to be one of those scenes that gave us a proper merge of comedy and drama, hit me up in the comment section and let me know. See? Until next time, Xpressionz signing out. Director's overview.